peel and dice potato in chunks. Wash your potato before and after. Wash it before you peel it and then dice it into chunks. So I have this bowl that I dice, and I'm just gonna dice this one to show you. Just dice it in large chunks. In this size, large chunk, because you don't want them to mash out like it's mashed potato. This is potato salad. You don't want it boil out in the pot like mashed potato. So you dice it in large chunk and then wash it. Wash the starch off. And you're gonna place it in the pot. Wash it twice and place it in the boiling water. Place the potato in the boiling water. Do not burn your hand. Just place them in there. Do not burn your hand. Just take your time and put them in the boiling water. You can add half teaspoon of salt to the pot. You just add half a teaspoon of salt to the pot. And cover and let boil for 10 minutes until cook. Now that the potato is boiling, it's boiling nicely. Now that the potato is boiling nicely, wow, it's boiling. It's gonna take another 6 minutes or so to boil. We don't want mashed potato here. No mashed potato, people. We want it to be nice and firm for the potato salad. I am gonna check on the potato now. We have to check our potato. Let's check our potato. It is still hard, so we need another 6 minutes on the potato. Need to cook for 6 more minutes. We don't want to overcook it because we don't want mashed potato here. Family, we don't want mashed potato, but we're gonna make sure it cook. So we're just gonna cover back the pot and let it stay for another 6 minutes. Check to make sure the potato is cooked. Just put the fork through it, make sure it's cooked. It's cooked. So drain the water off and let potato cool. Add your sweet peas to the pot. Just cut a piece from each of the bell pepper. and cut very fine. Just cut the peppers small, the assorted pepper, just cut them as small as you can and then place them in the bowl with the potato and sweet peas. And this is scallion. I add 1 scallion. And I add 1 tablespoon of onion. Make sure your hands are clean. So I add the assorted bell peppers. I add all of the assorted bell peppers. And I'm gonna add the mayonnaise to it. About a cup of mayonnaise. And I add a little black pepper to taste. Some people like to add seasoning, but I just add a little black pepper. And this is the Jamaican potato salad. I'll make the other one for Thanksgiving, the American potato salad, which is made with celery, vinegar, and a lot of different stuff. But this is the Jamaican potato salad. There you have it, family, your potato salad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos, family. Love you, wish you all the best.